Hello, welcome back to the Secret of Monkey Island. So I have been doing some thinking, and I know a couple of things I can do. So there's the governor. Governor.
I see how LeChuck could fall for her so quickly.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure I need some sort of. Oops. Huh. I need to get grog somehow, and for that I need a cup. Pretty sure. But for now I'm heading in here, just waiting for the chef to head over in the other room. Come on! Taking you so long. Let me open for you.
You can't come back here.
Yeah. I'm not sure if that triggers it. So I need.
I think that bird will peck my hand off. I think that bird will peck my hand off.
Almost. There we go. Yeah.
It's boiling hot.
I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do, but I know I can.
Ow! Got it.
I can cook the meat. And the fish.
Ow! Got it.
If I waste the meat, a new piece of meat respawns here. Not sure about the fish. Possibly. I was thinking maybe the grog was what I mixed with this.
That doesn't seem to work.
No. So, what else can we do? Hello? I don't think there is anything more in town at the moment. Yeah, let's head out on the island. Because I think I figured out the helmet thing here. We can't do the jump without a helmet. And I thought that the pot was what we used as a helmet. I think I just
Weasel.
give it to them.
Miscreant. Toady.
I'm selling these fuck.
Ready to do the cannon trick? Have you got a helmet?
Of
Of
course
course
I
I have a helmet. What sort of idiot do you take me for?
Well, let's have it. We want to be sure that it's safe. Wouldn't want you hurt. No, sorry.
No. So, give. There you go.
That will work as a helmet. Now we can do the trick. Step right over here, son.
Alrighty then.
Now, put on your helmet and get in the cannon, and we'll take care of the rest.
This.
Echo!
It works! Oh, I'm so relieved.
Oh.
Hey! Are you okay?
And the text is upside down. Where's my helmet? Yeah, where is that helmet? I'm Bobbing? Bobbin. Bod. Are you my... Let's take that
I'm
one.
Bobbin. Are you my mother?
It's all right! Hooray! We are spared an embarrassing and financially debilitating lawsuit. Here is your money, sir.
Yay!
Just a recompense for aiding us. The basic theory is fine. We just need to change the aim a bit. I'll try it next.
Tiny bit,
No,
yeah.
I'll do it next. No, me! No, me! Slacker! Loser! Ruffian! Fop!
Can I go back in?
Those crazy spaghetti brothers are still in there.
Yeah, I mean, he don't want to know. So we got plenty of money. So let's head back into town. And buy some stuff. Because we need some stuff. Show and swords. I think that was the only thing we could get here, but oh, and map.
Excuse me, but oh, it's only you again. Come back for the map to the legendary lost treasure of Melee Island, huh?
Indeed.
I hope you brought enough money this time.
Don't remember how much you wanted.
I'll take it. It'll make a swell gift.
Yeah. To myself.
There you go. You made a wise decision. Now get lost.
There's the map. Doesn't say how much money I got. Yeah, 300 and something. I got plenty of money.
Hey, where'd you go? I hike halfway across the island to try and get you a reservation with the Swordmaster, who, by the way, says you can go jump in the lake. And when I come back,
You did
you're
it last
gone.
time.
See if I ever do you a favor again. What do you want?
I think I'd just like to browse.
Okay, but don't put your lips on anything.
Let's
Slashmaster. When you want a sword as sharp as your wit.
and the shovel. Don't
What do you
forget
think this is, a museum?
it.
What do you think this is, a museum?
So,
What do you want?
About this sword.
Yeah, what about it?
I want it.
Great. Best 100 pieces of 8 you ever spent. What else do you want?
About this shovel.
Yeah, what about it?
I want it.
yeah.
Great. Oh, it'll pay for itself, believe me. Yeah, you'll dig up 75 pieces of 8 in no time. But hey, save some treasure for the rest of us, would you? What else do you want?
I think I'd just like to browse.
Yeah.
Hey, this ain't no boutique. Don't take all day.
Okay. Wonder if I can get in there at some point, but so got shovel, sword. We need that, and now we need to find the sword master.
I think I've been had. This is no map. It
Man.
looks like dancing lessons.
Aha! Back 2, 3, 4, left 2, 3, 4, right 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So, do the monkey. I think maybe this is from that fork where we headed over to the master, the sword master. Maybe we should go on a different direction there. Go back, go left, go right. Oops. This is heading in the right direction. Although we did knew that getting hold of money was taking us somewhere. I think I still got 200 pieces. No, let's yeah, let's head back over to that troll on the road. He said he gave us 3 chances to give him what he wants. Can't go there yet. We could, but we got no training, so we will need a sword master. Hello, troll.
Stop! You must pay a toll.
AK?
Look behind you, a mouse.
I'm not falling for that. Scuttle along, you scurvy sea slug.
Man, what a try. So...
None shall pass.
Wonder if that...
None shall pass.
None
shall
he wanted
pass.
something useless.
None shall pass.
This is
None shall
pretty useless.
pass. That's pretty useless,
Yeah.
but it's not what I want.
Ah. Something else.
None shall pass.
Um.
None shall pass. None shall pass. That's pretty useless, but it's not what I want.
Man. What about fish?
None shall pass. Ah, a red herring.
Ah.
Pass.
Yeah. We did have one, I don't know. Let's head over to the lights. Stan's previously owned
Welcome to
vessels.
Stan's previously owned vessels. I'm
Okay,
off searching the globe right now for the finest in previously owned marine transportation.
searching the globe.
Have a look around. I'll be right back.
He's searching the globe, but he'll be right back. So, let's have a
Busy.
look. And
Cute, but small.
yeah, having a look at. Oh, there's Grug.
Pieces of 8 are the preferred local currency.
Okay, okay, okay.
Huh. Nothing.
Man! That's,
There must be a more honest way to get some spare change.
let's try to push it.
Huh.
Man. Pool?
Huh.
I want some grog. Looks like the Coca-Cola logo.
I can't pick that up.
Okay, okay, okay. Can I use... No, that I figured that. Can I...
Pieces of 8 are the preferred local currency.
I don't want to spend any more on it. So, boat. Fuel economy.
Dull, dull, dull.
How about this one?
Now that's a nice looking vessel.
Yeah. Asses. Yeah, I don't want. Yeah. A bargain.
Ah, a fixer-upper.
Yeah, a fixer-upper. Stands in the garage for 2 years without
Looks
nothing
like one of
happening.
those well-engineered imports.
Well-engineered imports, yeah. A Viking ship.
I'm surprised this one is still afloat.
Looks like a yacht. Well, it's mostly just...
I don't see anything special about it.
Can I... oops. Buttons. Can I open?
It doesn't seem to open.
Okay, okay, okay. How about...
That doesn't seem to work.
Man.
That doesn't seem to work. That doesn't seem to work.
Okay, okay, okay. Man. So I think I know where to get grog then. Shipping for him. House. Let's see. Sword.
Captain Smirk's Big Body Pirate Gym.
Big body.
Prices. Sword training, 30 pieces of weight.
I can afford
Cannon
that.
firing, 160 pieces of weight. Balls extra.
I
Grappling hook, 130 pieces of weight. Hook extra.
don't got a hook and I don't got balls. I mean, I cannonballs.
I think I'll knock.
Yeah,
It'd only be polite.
that's the polite thing to do.
What do you want, you wimpy little spineless maggot?
Sounds like a personal trainer, yeah. Yeah, it's stop.
Could you please put
yeah.
out that cigar? It's not good for your health and it smells terrible.
Sure, I'd love to put it out. In your face.
Maybe I'll just leave instead.
Good idea.
Yeah, I want to leave.
What do you want?
Could you train me to be better
Yeah.
than the Swordmaster?
Better than the Swordmaster? You?
Great animation in this.
You could never be half the sword fighter Carla is. Even with hours of hard work and sweat and blood.
I know her.
I remember fighting side by side with Carla at Port Royal. The local constabulary had us cornered. It looked like we were done for, but then she said... But I digress. You just don't have what it takes.
Then she said, "What?"
I do so have what it takes.
Yeah.
You do not.
Yeah, I do.
I do so.
You do not.
I do.
I do so.
I like your spirit. I'll do what I can. Of course, it'll cost you. What do you got?
Well, I've got 30 pieces of 8.
Say no more, say no more.
Fantastic.
Let's see your sword.
Okay, check it out.
I knew I needed that
Yes,
sword.
This is a nice one. Let's get to it. Okay, you maggot. Why don't you whip that sword out and let's see what you can do with it? Boy, you fight like a dairy farmer. I usually don't waste my time with vermin like yourself. But seeing as this LeChuck thing has put a cramp on business, I got no choice. I need the
Yay!
money. Yes. I can see this is gonna take some special measures. Just want you to know, I don't do this with everyone. It's only because I feel that special student mentor pieces of 8 bonding that I'm going to these lengths. I'm gonna put you up against the machine.
Machine? Is this gonna hurt?
Come at me. Don't be afraid, you won't hurt me. Watch your footwork. No! Beat first, then lunge. No! Beat first, then lunge. Use your forte against the foible. Use your forte against the foible.
Hours later.
Ah.
You're starting to get the hang of it.
More hours later.
No.
Not bad. You've got good form. Now I'm gonna let you in on the true secret of sword fighting.
This is
Sword
what I've
fighting is
been
kinda
waiting
like
for.
making love. It's not always what you do, but what you say. Any fool
Right.
pirate can swing a sharp piece of metal around and hope to cut something.
Like
The
we started.
pros, they know just when to cut their opponent with an insult. One that catches them off guard. You see, kid, your wit's gotta be twice as sharp as your sword. Let's try a couple of insults out, shall we? Okay. Imagine this. We're fighting up a storm. Just like Carla and I were doing at Port Royal.
Yeah.
There's a sudden break in the fighting,
What
and I
did
say to
you
you,
say?
you fight like a dairy farmer. You respond with,
And
So's your mother.
I can see we've got a lot of work to do here.
this is a part of the fighting mechanics
should have responded
in
with something
this
like-
game.
How appropriate. You fight like a cow. You see, it's razor sharp wit like that that wins
Yeah.
fights. Let's try another. Imagine this. You're trapped up against a wall. My sword just slashed 2 cuts into your face. I say, soon you'll be wearing my sword like a shish kebab. You respond with,
So's your mother.
I can see we're in deep trouble here. Ah. A correct response to, soon you'll be wearing my sword like a shish kebab, would have been something like, first, you better stop waving it around like a feather duster. See? Razor sharp. Now, I suggest you go out there.
I don't got
and learn
any
some
insults. I don't got
can't
any
help but feel
insults
like I've
yet,
been ripped
so
off.
I need to learn.
I'm sure you're feeling something similar.
No, this is great. So this episode is a little bit longer than I was thinking, but I'm going to end it here. And next time we are going to gather some insults. It's a big part of the fighting mechanics in this game, all the way through all of the games. It's really funny, and you have to do some thinking. when I was little playing this, I struggle a little bit with the translation, so should go better this time. But I see you next time. Bye.